Hey YouTube, I'm gonna have this sus music playing in the background. By the way, I'm not sus. I'm just Hamlin's son, so I might sound sus, bro. But trust me, I'm not sus. I swear I'm not sus. But let's hop into the video. Oh yeah, and so I remind you, I'm about to get my supporter creator code, and when I do get it, I'll appreciate if you use it to help this sus boy become straight. Yay. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into the video. Now, so right, I I already asked him if he wants to make a vid. Now, he doesn't think tomorrow's a good time for him. Now he wants. I said I'll play duos. Now I didn't explain the whole thing to him, so he doesn't know he might get a reward at the end of the video if he meets the goal. Now I also asked my other friend if you want to just see it for proof. Right here. Reminder, I am not sus. Now, he also doesn't know. Just for proof. He doesn't know. So, now, I went into here. Right here. Now, this guy says sure. Let's see if you're really up to it.